In the mythical kingdom of Amaikpe, nestled between rolling hills and flowing rivers, King Obiora and Queen Chioma welcomed the birth of their son, Chidindu. Born with radiant eyes and laughter that echoed through the palace, Chidindu brought immense joy to his parents. However, a heavy air hung over these celebrations. The seer whispered that the child was an Ogbanje, a spirit child destined to traverse the realms of the living and the spirit world in a perpetual cycle. As Chidindu grew into a young prince of remarkable intelligence and charm, the kingdom experienced an unexplained curse. Crops withered, rivers dried, and misfortune befell the people. Desperate to break the curse, King Obiora sought counsel from the kingdom's most revered diviners. It was revealed that the key to the kingdom's salvation lays in the recovering of Chidindu's Iyowa, a sacred stone that held the essence of his being. To embark on this perilous quest, the king summoned 5 of the most skilled maidens in the kingdom. These women were chosen for their connection to the spirit world. They were tasked with entering the mythical realms of Nwa to retrieve the Iyowa of Chidindu and end the kingdom's suffering. The journey began with hopes that quickly turned treacherous along enchanted forests and through meandering rivers. The maidens were faced with challenges that tested their strength and resolve. 4 of these chosen women encountered mythical and mysterious accidents that seemed to be orchestrated by unseen forces. One of the maidens was swallowed by a river spirit. Another ensnared by vines that seems to have a life of its own. One succumbed to the mesmerizing sons of sirens, and the last woman disappeared into the shadow of a mysterious cave. Yet, amidst these tragedies, one brave maiden, Ngozi, pressed on, guided by the spirits of the fallen maidens who had become benevolent guides in the afterlife. Ngozi reached the sacred realm where the Iyowa was guarded by ethereal forces. The challenges she faced were numerous, from riddles posed by ancient Umuada spirits to trials of purity and a test of her courage. After overcoming these obstacles, Ngozi, with the guidance of the spirits, retrieved the Iyowa, and on her journey back, she encountered the spirits of her forgotten companions who had become guardians of the mythical realm. Together, they faced the remaining challenge that allowed Ngozi to return to the earthly realm and save the life of the prince. The moment Ngozi placed the Iyowa back into the hands of Chidindu, radiant energy involved the kingdom, and Chidindu's Ogbanje's cycle was broken, and he embraced his destiny as the rightful heir to the throne. The curse that had plagued Amaikpe was now lifted, and the once-stricken kingdom flourished anew. Ngozi was honored for her bravery and resilience. She became the kingdom's revered guardian of the spiritual wisdom. Her tale, alongside that of Prince Chidindu, echoed through generations, serving as a timeless testament to the enduring spirit of resilience, sacrifice, and the unbreakable bonds between the earthly spirits and the spiritual realm. The people of Amaikpe that was once shackled by a curse now thrive in the new era of prosperity and harmony.